Example 9. 3 more than half of a number is 19. So 3 more than half of a number is 19. X is the number. So how do we say half of a number? Half of a number, we take the number and we divide by 2. If we said a third of a number, we would divide by 3. If we said a quarter of a number, we would divide by 4. But half of a number, and it's going to be 3 more than that. Oops, should have been doing this in the other color. X over 2 plus 3 equals 19. And that's our equation. Let's hold on to this one slightly. We're going to need that one back in a second. This is half of 3 more than a number is 19. And that sounds pretty similar to this one, the one we had for example 9, but it's going to be different as we're going to see. So X is the number. So here, for example 9, we took half of the number, and then we had 3 more than that. But here, it's half of 3 more than a number. So what we have is, which I agree sounds similar, but when I write it out, this is why math is actually better than English, because when you write it out, it's really clear what you intend to say. So I'm saying, we have our number, 3 more than that, and then half of that. So we have 3 more than the number, and half of that situation is 19. I'll try to be clear when we do testing situations, but if there's any ambiguity, you could always ask me, and I'll probably clarify it. So the difference between a large number and 11 is 5. So X is going to be the large number. I said the large number mostly to avoid having a situation where there's more than one answer. We're not going to deal with that yet. So the difference between 7 and 5 is 2. How do we know that? Because 7 minus 5 is 2. So there's between a large number and 11. How would we find the difference between our number and 11? We subtract it. The difference between X, the number, and 11 is we subtract it. And that's going to give us 5. So 7 more than 3 times a number is 55. 7 more than 3 times a number. So X, once again, is the number. So 3 times the number. 3 times the number, that's 3x. 7 more than that, plus 7. And what is it equal to? It's equal to 55. We already did this. This is kind of like example number 6, but it was kind of a, do you remember it? So let's get to the harder ones now.